recently I've been receiving a lot of text messages, emails, social media messages, shit like, Rondi, you're working too hard. The 75 hard thing is just, you're way over the top. You need to slow down. You need to take a vacation. You need to get more sleep. You need to make it fun. 75 hard should be fun. You know what? It's not called 75 fun for a reason. It's called 75 hard because it's fucking hard, right? Nothing in life worth having is easy. So here's my point. If you're not receiving messages from your friends and family about you need to slow down, then you need to speed up, because that means they're comfortable with you. That means that they're comfortable at the level that you're at. And for me, I don't want to be average. I don't want people to be comfortable around me. I want them to challenge me just like I'm challenging them. So if you don't find yourself in that situation where people are challenging you, telling you to slow down, then speed it up. Because you know what? I'm not going to slow this train down. I don't care what other people think. I don't care that they feel uncomfortable around me, that I'm making them feel inferior because my goals are bigger than their goals. So if you need to do that, if you need to get new friends, then go ahead and get new friends, because you know what? Slowing down is for losers.